think that it's a little bit of a mess, to be honest.
Too late.
I think they're stupid.
I think it's a little bit late to come in.
I think it's very sensible.
It's unfortunate, but I think it's what the government has to do. I think they're very strict.
Bueno, creo que ha sido un poquito inesperado.
I think they're probably good, but I'm not sure people will really follow them over the Christmas period.
I think it's been very poorly implemented.
Y me parece que está un poco fuera de lugar.
I think they are pretty late, but it might do some good.
We have to have them, unfortunately. It's a necessity.
What the government should have done is extended the lockdown that we were in. They should have then cut it, obviously a couple of days before Christmas, and allowed people to be with their families over Christmas.
It should have happened a week ago or something like that.
I think we should have been more careful and done more restrictions for longer.
And the new virus, the new strain, is spreading very fast. And it's better we lock down for this Christmas and we can all go on and have many more Christmases together.
It's something that we have to get over. We have to break the virus, and if this will do it, then it's something that we have to do.
It's a shame that Christmas won't be happening in quite the same way we thought it would be, but it seems necessary and hopefully a short, sad thing that will be relieved by the vaccine.
Creo que nadie las está respetando. Eso se ha visto desde que empezó prácticamente el confinamiento.
People are spreading the virus like crazy with this new strain of the virus, and it's really sad. Obviously, everyone's really upset.
If it's been necessary, it's obviously been necessary for a while, and the government, with their very poor communication methods, should have announced that. They knew about this new theoretical strain on Monday last week, so they should have announced it a lot earlier. It is symptomatic of the government of the United Kingdom, particularly Boris Johnson, who's a pretty poor person. Everything is last minute.